'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through Eclipse, not a robot was moving, not even one that flips. The controls were turned off, completely unplugged, despite some projects that still need debugged. Our global teams were home, snug in their beds, when solving complex challenges, still in their heads. And Steve Mai in his Tesla, and Mark in his truck, were out praising our teams, all amazed and awestruck. When all of a sudden, a last-minute order, Santa needed our help. He was lost in disorder. He requested our know-how to save Christmas Eve. Advanced cycle time was what he had to achieve. Thankfully, Team Eclipse, part of Accenture, is always up for this kind of adventure. Assembled we came, unified we were, to solve the issue of the quick present transfer. Apps, mechanical, and controls did design before our toolmakers came to assemble the line. All departments were huge in completing this job, and not one single joke about that thingamabob. With conveyance and vision, pick and place and precision, adhesive and plasma, we created with charisma. Gifts moved from workshop to sleigh like creative, automated child's play. Now dash away, dash away, dash away all. It's time for some rest because you're all simply the best. Yada, 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 yada. Merry Christmas to all, and to all rum and eggnaga.